We are having a great time at IDDBA, especially with Kevin Costner, who I just got to meet.
Deli, well, it's nice that you stopped by earlier. I think you probably had one of the best pastrami sandwiches you've ever had. Carnegie Deli has been around since 1937 as a brick and mortar store. Shut down the brick and mortar store about 9 years ago, but now we're doing a lot of the retail products across the country. If you've never had traditional New York style pastrami, we do the best in the world. So it's been really, really good. Show's been great, a lot of great contacts. It's always fun to have people walk by and go, I remember this store from being there as a kid. So a lot of history behind it.
I'm from Artisan Bakers, and we're located in West Sacramento, the heart of gold country in California. We have a long history of sourdough production and private label and branded work. It's been an amazing show. I have to say that the folks that have come by have been wonderful. Lots of great retailer brands, both brands that we went to work with and brands that we're working with today.
Yeah, so Yancey's Fancy, we've been in business under a few different names, but for about 100 years now, out of the New York area, sort of near Buffalo. Our whole business is about doing things that are a little bit out of the box, trying to find new ways to innovate with flavor, formats, do things that are just a little bit different from what else is out there in the industry. This year, big launch for us is a collaboration with Pabst for Pabst Blue Ribbon Cheese. It's been awesome just getting to work with them, kind of expand beyond what might be typical for a cheese-making company. And we're super excited about that. Love seeing what else is going on in the industry, getting a little bit of inspiration from that, and then just being able to support each other in the industry. It's a great show here at IDDBA.
Well Baking Company has been in business for 21 years. WOW stands for without wheat, although after people taste our cookies, they all say, wow, that's too good to be gluten-free. So we like to say we always get the double wow.
Good things come in small packages. We do a lot of the quail eggs. They're very nutritional. This will hatch later and quail will fly from my bosom. Hi, we're with Manchester Farms Quail. We are the oldest quail farm in the nation. We are second generation, family owned and operated. We do quail eggs and the quail meat. We still do everything by hand. Very healthy, much less of a chance of salmonella because the membrane is 5 to 6 times thicker. And so,
oh, there we go, yes.
That's the egg scissors. And that's how you open them. We've had a great time in New Orleans. The IDDBA treats us very well, and we are happy to be back next year.
Absolutely.